Yes, to you too. Yes.
Yeah, I think we are meeting first time. So
Yes.
I think please introduce yourself so that I can know as well as my viewers can know very easily.
Yes. Thank you. And it's pleasure of mine, Santosh ji. Yes. So my name is Alka and I belong to Lucknow. It's capital of Uttar Pradesh. Yes.
Mm,
And if you talk about my academics, then I'm postgraduate in English. And I have two sons, they both are married. And my
yeah,
husband is a retired banker.
yeah,
Yeah, if you talk about my hobbies, then I love reading. I
yeah.
love reading, listening to music, and sometimes I play chess. So that's about me.
That's a very commendable. So
Okay.
now it's my turn. So shall I introduce myself?
Yes, yes.
As you know, my name is Santosh Kumar and I am from UP district Lakhimpur. By profession, I am an English teacher. English is being taught by me in a private school. When we talk about my hobbies are reading different type of religious books like Ramayana and Gita, Bible, etc. So apart from this, I have also started my YouTube channel that name is English Spoken with Blesser,
Okay,
where
that's
I uh, where I upload my English content video so that people can learn this beautiful English very easily. So that's
yes.
all a little bit about us.
Yes. Yes, Santosh, it's good to know about you. Yeah, very nice. Your introduction is very interesting one. Yeah. So you love reading religious book, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Oh, that's so nice. Today's what you say, today's generation, I think
There is
nobody
no
like
one.
no one.
Mm, yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
Because I think everybody now is busy, on social media to watch different types of,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hollywood, Bollywood things, and every
Yes,
youth and every young and every youngster, I think. But I do believe to uh, read in a religious book because I think, without God mercy, we are nothing.
correct. Yeah, of course, that's so true. Yeah. My sister-in-law, no, she lives in Delhi. And she has read like Ramayana, Gita, Quran, Bible. She has
Yeah,
read
yeah.
every and she keeps the knowledge also in all these religions. So I asked her, okay, how did you read so many books? But she's interested in reading. So that's why, and she knows everything about the religion, all the religion. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So, ma'am, I would like to interrupt you. Would you like to have conversation with me on any topic or casual?
No, anything, whatever you decide. Yeah, I'll try. Yeah, maybe I stuck somewhere, but yeah, I will try because we are in the learning process. So yeah, so
And
we have
there is no end of any learning process where age doesn't matter, and beauty doesn't matter, country doesn't matter, and qualification doesn't matter. But I think it is not my mother tongue. So now, how much talented you are, how much educated anybody can be. But I think it's a matter a lot because we are learning second language.
and of course nobody is going to give us mark or grade anything. So yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, you can give me anything. Let me try.
Yeah, so I think firstly I would like to know about your journey. It means I think I love to ask you that how did you learn your English and what is thing motivated you? So
Yeah,
what is the great need for this language?
actually, what I would have learned. I would have learned in my age when I was young. Although the children like now they have so many apps to learn about, and you people you are so lucky to learn everything because mobile is in your hand. So whatever you want to learn, you can learn the language, anything you want to learn. But if you talk about me, I have lost many. I must say so much in my life because I did not get this kind of technology what you people are having today, right? So because I did not get much to learn this language. So when I saw this platform is now available for me to learn and polish my language and to upgrade myself. So then I immediately joined this. I immediately joined this because I think sometimes I regret a lot, because it's my age now and I'm learning at this age, but I'm not ashamed at all. I'm not ashamed at all. Because we say, that it's never too late to learn. And whatever age we are, we can learn anything. So that's about it. But yeah, I must say that I sometimes feel very bad that in my age I would have learned. But yeah, I missed everything what to say. So now I'm learning. So yeah,
They are great to know. I think it is a very commendable because I think study does not know who are you
right, right. Who are
and
you?
what you
Your age,
who are you. Yeah,
yeah, and which,
yeah.
of course, age also doesn't matter. I think
Does
this
it doesn't matter, but it is a matter lot that how much passionate you are. You know how much eager to
it
you
depends.
are. Yeah,
That is
yeah.
what
It's totally depend upon you.
and of course, nobody can force somebody to learn anything. I think nobody has forced me. But the only thing what I about for what I was motivated, like there were many things of
Yes,
regret. I
yes.
felt bad.
So I
Many
think
yeah.
after after watching your face, I would like to call you that you are like my mother.
Yes, of course. You honor my sons, to whoever I speak, I feel like that honor like my sons. And of course, I
Yeah,
have sons, like they are also your age and maybe a little grown up also. Yeah.
yeah,
From where you belong to, somewhere to UP, you have told me.
yeah. UP district Lakhimpur.
So Lakhimpur, okay. I think it's not that far from Lucknow, is it?
Yeah, it is only 150 kilometer because I think here at the bus in the early morning it directly go to Lucknow. Reach Lucknow after 2 hours or more than.
It's not that far. It's not that far. Okay.
It means you are my neighbor.
Yes, of course, I'm your neighbor. Yes, I know your neighbor, of course. See,
Yeah, yeah,
I'll narrate you a small incident, like my maternal uncle, what you call mama. Okay, mamu
yeah,
or
yeah,
mama. So, once I'd been to Manpuri. He was based in Manpuri. So I'd
yeah,
been once, And my mamu, what he would take a diary and with a pen in his pocket, he would go every
yeah,
day in the morning. So one day I asked him, where do you go every day with a diary and pen? So what he told me, and I was so surprised at that age. He told me,
yeah,
Beta, I'm going to learn Sanskrit. And that time he was in late 70s, And yeah. But I asked him why I'm learning at this age. Well, I was so, surprised if somebody learns at that advanced age. So I asked him, so he told me, Beta, I'm so fond of learning Sanskrit, and there is not any college close to my house. Now there's been opened a new college, so I'm going to get admission over there. I asked him, "Don't you feel ashamed that all the students are much younger to you?" So he told no, and I'm inspired by my mamu. Actually,
So
yeah,
I think it is really to be inspired.
yeah. So and one thing more that I have a good pastime.
Yeah,
Before that, when I was not learning, I was just used to sit here and there. I would lie and I would fall asleep and watch TV. What to do the whole day? Because my sons
yeah.
are out, they are posted out. Elder son is in Mumbai and younger one is in Delhi. So I would think
Yeah.
how to pass out my time. So in this way, to have conversations, my days passes off so quickly. 3 and 4 hours go so quickly. I don't. So that's what I'm saying. So it's a good pastime for me also. Yeah.
Yeah.
And tell me
Right.
something for what you are learning. Like, you have,
Uh,
are
oh,
you
yes.
saying, yeah, you want to have a job in the future, right?
Yeah, I think according to you, ma'am, uh, I don't want to search job in a future because I think nowadays currently I am running a school in foreign that is Nepal. You?
Okay, you're running a college.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, and what you teach English, right?
yeah. There I teach English. So and after that, I don't wanted to get a government job, but I will do in future of business. Because I think in business I am total dependent person.
Yeah. So
I think total free. When we do some kinds of government job at that time, I think we now I'm now I will face many problem. At that time, I will face a lot of problem because I tell me that do this and do diet like
yes,
that.
correct.
So
So
I
is
think
there
yeah.
is there anybody in your house into a business, like your father or brother? Anybody? Oh, okay, okay. And where they are settled, like your parents, where they are settled?
Yeah, yeah. It's my responsibility. Now my parents are leaving me together because I think I love very much my parents because it is our God.
Yes, that's so much. At least you concern, and we should be concerned for our parents, and we should look
Without
after.
him, I am nothing. Because I think my parents what had not done for me because I think when I was uh, like
Them.
a little baby, I think, and so now I am able to understand everything. What have not done my parents for my growth and for my welfare, for my everything. So I think I have no words. I am speechless while
And
praising my parents.
and it's so great about you that you are so much concerned for your parents.
Yeah.
And of course,
Yes.
every son should be like this, like you. Yeah,
Nothing special except my parents because they are my gift.
yeah,
They are
of
my
course.
a great personality, legend personality, and as a as a teacher, as a obedient son. I would like to recommend everybody, one who watching me and one who listening me at this time right now. I think because never leave your parents in any bad condition because I think they
Yeah.
are they are who they know you
Yes,
better.
so much they do for their children. And so much actually
Yeah,
parents sacrifice for us. And
yeah, yeah,
we commit mistakes when we are young. So many mistakes we commit. Sometimes we talk to them harshly also when we were young. But as parents know, they every time they forgive. Every time they
yeah.
forgive their children. Actually, you
Mm.
know that. Yeah. So it's you are doing a very good job that you look after your parents. And don't you have any brother of your own? How many siblings are you?
My own children, I am blessed with three children.
Oh, that's good. Okay.
First name is Yash, and second one is Sunny, and third one is Sarthak.
Oh, very nice. Okay.
And why I am blessed with three children, it might be because it might be the grace of the God. When I used to teach in the class other students, then I used to pray to my God, dead God, when I have my family, when please give me also children as a gift. So I because I think as a teacher we are teaching uh, without gaining anything else. And so I think when I have children,
You-
when I have my own family, I will also teach to them
Yeah,
like
nice.
other children. So that's
And
why
how
God,
many?
listen and answer my prayer.
Right.
So I am very happy with my family.
Yes, and you should be. Because see, you are happy with your family, and even family must be happy with you. You too. You know. So that is the grace of God, that we are all together in these days. Yeah.
And yes,
And how many brothers sisters you are?
uh, three brothers and three sisters. I am a youngest one.
Oh, you're the youngest one. And I think the most lovable person in the family.
Sorry, I didn't get it.
I saying because you're the younger one and you have six, you all are six. So I think you must
Yeah,
be, I think, youngest, full attention maybe only on you, your brother
yeah,
and
because
sister.
yeah, my all brother, they are doing different types of work in other, states, and I am alone taking care of my parents. And
Yeah. Last question. I was about to ask you,
yeah,
are you Maharashtrian?
what?
Marathi? Are you Marathi? You speak Marathi?
Yeah, a little bit I know. A little bit I know some, but not fully.
Okay. Okay, you can wrap up the session now. If you want to, you can
Yeah.
end this. Yes. Okay.
So I think I would, at the end of the session I would like to thank you because I think you are senior citizen of
Okay.
my country, and I'm very proud of you to be part of this session, to be your part of this session. So I think. I hope that in future I will be back. I will be reconnected with you each other through social media, and
Thank you.
every may God give you everything in your favor.
Okay,
Nice
thank
to
you.
meet you.
Okay, bye.